Hi, my name is Jesse Pulsinelli. My friend came to me with a problem finding research about her project. Her project had to do with pollution in the ocean, and I agreed to help her solve the issue. My cousin currently is in research with the ocean and helping solve conflicts, so this was very important to me. I began to help her by developing a research question. We came up with the question of water pollution due to plastic and paper neglect in society. The sources she needed are very important. So the three sources I recommended to my friend were using sources that are accredited by research in the oceanic field. First major source that will be helpful is the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, which is credited by the U.S. Department of Commerce. Of course, information is out there, so a secondary source can be like the National Geographic with marine pollution as its documentary headline. A third source can come from an agency that is protecting the ocean. A good online source for this can be oceanprotect.org. Going back to the first source, this source will be useful because it is credited by the government and has direct research. Of course, information is very important to back up everything, so this is a very good first source to start with. The secondary source, though, is a company that is founded on the mission of protecting wildlife and educating people of the importance of keeping things protected. Also, this source is aimed at water pollution and protecting wildlife, but also informing the public on what to do. The third source will be beneficial source because it will give her the ability to discuss different marine life and how pollution plays a negative role in the ocean. I want to make it clear to her that every source needs to be a credible source with validated research to back everything up. That you can use these three sources because they are published or backed up by the government. These three sources are willing to help her compare and contrast with having more understanding with experience in the field. Having experience in the field is very important to making any type of essay when you're trying to prove something to the public.